The world is topsy-turvy.
It seems like new challenges are popping up every day.
But Kit is here to support you.
Some of you never stop going to work to care for our children.
Some of you had no choice but to step away.
No matter your situation, if you're going back to your childcare job or preparing for more children and youth to return, things are going to be different.
We're facing a new normal.
But Kit is here to support you.
We are preparing a series of webinars for child and youth program leaders and staff.
We'll cover reconnecting with staff, families, and children and youth.
We'll cover reimagining rituals and routines.
And we'll cover reteaching expectations.
While we're working on putting together the webinars, we want to offer you tips, tricks, and ideas to consider as you get back to work or open your programs more fully.
Check out Kit's social media channels every week for a golden nugget.
It might be a podcast episode, a video demonstration, or a quick facilitated conversation.
And don't forget, you can reach out at any time for recommendations by contacting the Inclusion Support Center.
Kit is here for you.
Talk soon, be well, and happy trails!